How much should you actually spend on LED fog lights? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Sealight H10/9140/9145 fog lights. First up, we've got the Sealight H10/9140/9145 LED fog light bulbs, priced at $23.97. These caught my attention with their impressive 18,000 lumens of brightness. If you want unmatched visibility in harsh weather conditions, this is worth a serious look. So, here's why these lights stand out. With 24 upgraded LED chips, they're 1,000% brighter than your stock fog lights. Imagine driving in fog or heavy rain and being able to see clearly. It's a game changer. Plus, they last up to 80,000 hours thanks to an advanced cooling system, so you won't be replacing them anytime soon. They are also designed to be fully sealed with an IP68 waterproof rating, ensuring they perform no matter the weather. Now, some people complained about their slightly larger size, which might not fit all vehicles. Here's the thing though, most users find them easy to install and the universal fit covers 99% of vehicles, so that's a minor hassle for the majority. This is perfect for you if you prioritize brightness and durability in all weather conditions. Skip this one if you have a very compact vehicle where space is a major concern. For what you're getting, it's a solid value. Now, if that size concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Sealight H11H8H16 fog lights. Next, let's talk about the Sealight H11H8H16 LED fog light bulbs, which retail for $19.99. What stood out to me was their 400% brightness upgrade. Definitely a must for those driving in poor visibility. If you want a straightforward installation with great performance, this is worth a serious look. These bulbs feature a 360 degrees illumination design with 54 LED chips, meaning you get far better visibility in bad weather. They're built to last with a lifespan of up to 30,000 hours, and they also boast an IP68 waterproof rating. So, rain or shine, you can count on them to light your way. Plus, they fit a wide range of vehicles, making them super versatile. However, some users noted that they might not be as bright as the H10 model. But honestly, the ease of installation and the price point make it a worthwhile option for everyday drivers who want reliable fog lights without the fuss. This is perfect for you if you want something easy to install and functional in various conditions. Skip this one if you need extreme brightness for off-road driving. You get a lot of value for the money here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for extreme brightness. Product number 3. Sealight 5202 LED fog lights. Now let's check out the Sealight 5202 LED fog light bulbs, also priced at $19.99. These bulbs are interesting because they come with 27 SMD chips, which is way more than typical bulbs. If you want clear visibility without dazzling oncoming traffic, this is worth a serious look. These fog lights are designed to project light farther while maintaining a focused beam. That means you can see what's ahead without bothering other drivers. Plus, they're compatible with a wide range of vehicles, making them a great pick for those who don't want to deal with compatibility issues. They also boast a lifespan of over 30,000 hours, so you won't have to replace them often. Now, some users found that the light may not be as bright as expected compared to other models. But here's the thing. If you're looking for a balanced output that won't blind others, this is a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if safety and compatibility are your main concerns. Skip this one if you need maximum brightness for off-road adventures. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if compatibility and brightness are crucial for you, the next product might just hit the sweet spot. Product number 4. Franksy Combo Fog Lights. Next, we got the Franksy 9005/HB3H11/H8/H9 light bulbs combo fog lights, costing $38.97. What really caught my eye here is the super bright 32,000 lumens output. If you want maximum visibility on the road, this is worth a serious look. These bulbs use advanced 18 CSP chips, which means they provide a seriously bright light while still being efficient. The 1:1 design means installation is a breeze, just plug and play. Plus, they come with a cooling fan that keeps them from overheating, ensuring you get a long lifespan. They also fit a wide range of vehicles, including ATVs and UTVs. However, some users have mentioned needing a canvas decoder for certain vehicles to avoid flickering. Here's the thing. If you're willing to put in a little extra work for flawless performance, these will meet your needs. This is perfect for you if you want top-tier brightness and compatibility across a variety of vehicles. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with potential flickering issues or if you're looking for a budget option. For the brightness you get, it's worth every penny. Now, if you want to stick with a reliable brand, but at a lower price, the next product is calling your name. Product number 5. Sealight H11/H16/H8 fog lights. Finally, let's look at the Sealight H11/H16/H8 LED fog light bulbs, priced at $23.98. With an output of 18,000 lumens, these bulbs are designed for serious visibility. If you want a solid, dependable fog light option, this is worth a serious look. Like other Sealight products, these bulbs promise 80,000 hours of lifespan thanks to their premium materials and cooling system. They are also IP68 rated, meaning they're built for any weather condition. The installation is a breeze, and they fit a wide range of vehicles without any flickering issues. Some users mentioned that the brightness could be overkill for city driving. But to be honest, if you need reliable fog lights for all conditions, having extra brightness is never a bad thing. This is perfect for you if you need reliable fog lights that last and perform well in any situation. Skip this one if you're mainly driving in well-lit areas and don't need high intensity. For the price, you're getting excellent value. In conclusion, we've covered a range of options from Sealight's ultra-bright offerings to Franksy's powerful combo bulbs. Each of these fog lights has its strengths, so it really comes down to what you need most for your driving conditions. To wrap it up, we looked at the Sealight H10, the H11/H8, H16, the 5202 Franksy's combo, and the H11/H16/H8 models. Each one shines in its own way, whether it's the brightness, ease of installation, or longevity. Choose the one that best fits your driving needs.